Pictory add music to video. I show you in Pictory how you can add music to video in seconds easily without wasting time. This is the main page of editing video. Here you have this option, audio. Click on it. This is Pictory's library for music. If you make your video from text, Pictory will automatically select a good music based on your text. And now, this is the music that Pictory applied for the text I added, but you can change it anyway. First, remove it by click on this cross option. Here you have too many background music in different niches for different purposes. Different moods, funny, hopeful, sad, dramatic, dark, calm, or even in genre you have different genre like cinematic, dark, ambient, and so on. You can choose from these filters what you need to find out your videos easier. Just click on each one you want. If you have a Pictory account, you can use these musics on your video for free. Now, to listen to them, you can click on play button. And if you like the music, just click on apply option. Easy. Now, to set the volume of the music, click on this option. From this volume bar, you can decrease or increase the volume of this music easily. Here, as you can see, the voiceover volume is 0, because I didn't add any voiceover till now. But after you add a voiceover, the music volume will decrease. Anyways, you can set it again from this part. Now, maybe you want to upload your own specific background music from your system. To do this, click on this option. Here you have Background Music tab again. Click on this option. Then drag and drop your file here, like as I am doing this. Then click on Apply here. One more thing you have better to know is you can choose a music as favorite by clicking on this option to find it easier in the next time. It will be Save here. I said save, and I remember to tell you that you can use this discount code to save 20% on every Pictory plan. After you set your music, you can click on Preview to watch before downloading it.